Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have the crush washer lineup. Today we're going to go through a one-time use crush washer to full Goomba used. Well, let's start here. This is not even an OEM crush washer, but you know what? Looks like it's been used quite a few times. It's oozing out on this side and it's oozing out on this side. Let's go to the next one. This is actually an OEM one from the factory. Factory crush washers are blue. And this guy started out its life looking like this one. I wonder how many oil changes are on this one crush washer. Let me know in the comments. I'm going to say at least 6 or 7. Let's go to the next one. It's not an OEM one, but it's been used a few times. This one, yeah, you could tell. This one is the same one compared to this one. It's less oozed out on the side. Here's an OEM one that's been used quite a few times. The coating is coming off. Same with this one. Same with this one. You could see it's oozing out on the inside. Yep, same. Now, here's our favorite one, or at least here's CSW's favorite one. The double Goomba. Beautiful.